Nowadays, whether in Europe, Africa, America, Asia, Middle East, or Far East, Shacman trucks are always found moving forward in various industries such as ports, highways, railways, mines, and social housing projects. Shacman, success with quality. For over 40 years, Shacman trucks have been providing services to 5 continents around the world. No matter where and when, Shacman will loyally stay by your side and take up your responsibilities. In Africa, Shacman trucks boldly faces the challenges of the complex terrain with its strong durability and adaptability. Shacman trucks can operate the hottest deserts in temperatures up to 50 degrees comfortably with no problem. In the Far East, Shacman trucks are equipped with superior cold resistance to fight against the severe conditions in Siberia. In South America, Shacman products show off its unrivaled power and ferocity with its great qualities. Shacman trucks have been sold to over 90 countries, established 310 service stations, 41 overseas offices, 23 overseas 4S stores, 8 overseas assembly plants, and 2 large overseas maintenance centers. Spare part warehouses covers all of the main sales regions. Export volume has increased year by year, placing at the forefront of China's automobile export industry. Relying on the operation concept of building the service-based manufacturer, Shacman Trucks adheres to the concept of focus on customer needs, take the market as the guidance based on searching and satisfying demands, creating the demand-driven concepts for products development and tailoring personalized solutions for global heavy trucks customers. China is one of the 4 ancient civilizations. The Terra Cotta Warriors were created here over 2,000 years ago. Today, Shacman heavy-duty truck goes beyond China and towards the world. A high-quality truck is produced in a high-quality plant. Founded in 1968, headquartered in Xian, China, Shacman Facilities covers an area of 5.9 million square meters and has over 30 subsidiaries with 32,000 employees. Our product scope includes the development, manufacturing, sales, relevant trading, and financing of military off-road trucks, heavy-duty trucks, medium and light-duty trucks, large and medium buses, light vehicles, heavy and light-duty axles, Cummins engines and auto parts, etc. Shacman has passed ISO 9001-2000 Quality System Certification and TS 16949 Quality System Certification. With years of vehicle development experiences, Shacman has established the scientific and efficient product development processes and systems, building the National Enterprise Technical Center and Postdoctoral Science Research Working Station, and acquiring great achievements. Inheriting the concept of providing the most value and best products for customers, Shacman integrates the advantages in technology and supplier resources to provide full range of products for the global customer. Shacman utilizes mature MAN and STEYR technical platforms and also integrates mature technologies from Weichai Power, Cummins of USA, Fast and Honda, creating what's known as the golden industry chain. Shacman facilities are well equipped with precise punching production unit, automatic welding production unit, energy-saving and environment-friendly painting production unit, as well as modern assembling production unit. 22 modern production lines from USA and Europe representing internationally advanced heavy-duty truck manufacturing technology guarantees quality with strict control. Shacman Trucks meets the strict requirements in different conditions and environments. The safety tests are carried out according to the ECE R29 standard. Other tests include 45-degree high-temperature test, 5,000-meter elevation test, cold climate test, water fording test, obstacle clear test, side overturn test, and tests on various road surfaces. In the new energy field, Shacman has successfully developed the first domestic pure electrical port tractor, CNG and LNG heavy-duty trucks. With 40 years of R&D and manufacturing experience, Shacman has various types of military vehicles equipping multiple military units. It is the only production base for heavy-duty military trucks appointed by the government after rigorous model choosing and comparison tests. In international biddings, Shacman beat various competitors and won the bid several times. Shacman military trucks have participated in the military review during the 35th, 50th, and 60th anniversary of the People's Republic of China. Shacman is also the only vehicle manufacturer that has participated in all 3 military reviews, rewarded by the State Council&Military Commission of the CPC Central Committee. All Shacman commercial vehicles inherit the great qualities of the military trucks. We will be rewarded only when we know how to be grateful. Shacman wishes to become the best and fulfill the most social responsibilities. Inheriting the concept of service-based manufacture, Shacman has made numerous contributions to the local infrastructure, employment, and talent cultivation. Shacman Trucks will provide the max value for the customers with the best products and services. The company will witness a bright future together with the global customers. Shacman Trucks win with virtue, advanced services, and success with quality.